So this is how you edit your channel or your thumbnail. If you wanna do something, cut, crop, area, whatever you want. So I'm gonna post this, and here is in the YouTube upload area. In upload thumbnail, in the detail you'll find after you post, you upload whatever the video content you want. የምፈልጉትን ቪዲዮ ኮንቴንት ፖስት ካረጋችሁ በኋላ ተምብኔል የሚለው ቦታ ወደ ታች ስክሮል ዳውን ስታረጉ ታገኙታላችሁ ማለት ነው። ሶ አሁን አብሬያችሁ ኤዲት ያደረኩትን ተምብኔል አስገባለሁ። ሶ now I will upload the thumbnail I have already created with you. This was the thumbnail. Here it is. It's uploaded. Thank you for staying with me. This is how you can upload it. Then it can be your thumbnail for your video, for your YouTube video. Thank you. አመሰግናለሁ። ክብራትና ክብራን እንግዲህ ለሚቀጥለው የተሻለ ቪዲዮ ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። ጤና ይስጥልኝ።